I rebuilt the same lead routing AI agent 3 times. Make, n8n, and finally, raw code. Because I kept picking the wrong tool. If you're a solopreneur stuck between make.com and n8n, drowning in tutorials that all push the same answer, this is the 3-minute decision rule nobody will give you straight. Most YouTubers pick a side because they're affiliated. I run both daily on a home server for client work, so I have no horse in this race. By the end, you'll know which tool fits your workflow before you waste a weekend rebuilding it. Here's the setup. A client needed a simple lead routing agent. Gmail comes in. AI classifies the lead by industry and urgency. Then it routes hot ones to the sales rep on Telegram and cold ones into the CRM with a tagged follow-up sequence. 9 steps total. I built it in Make first because every no-code creator on YouTube said it was the easier choice. They were half right. Make took 8 minutes. The Gmail trigger authenticated in 2 clicks. The OpenAI module had a clean drop-down for the model, and the visual flow read left to right like a sentence. For a solopreneur who's never touched automation before, Make's UX is genuinely better. I'll say that out loud. Then the client asked for retry logic. If the AI classification fails or the CRM is down, the lead can't just vanish. In Make, native retry is limited. Error handlers cost you operations against your monthly quota. And at around 1,200 ops a month, I hit the pricing cliff. The workaround was a separate scenario that polled a data store for failed runs. Ugly. In n8n, I added an error trigger node and a wait and retry node. 2 nodes. Native, free. That's the breakpoint most tutorials skip. Then came the custom webhook to a niche Serbian invoicing API with a non-standard auth header. Make wanted a paid HTTP module and a workaround for the header signing. In n8n, I dropped in a function node, wrote 6 lines of JavaScript. Done. Now the cost math, because this is where solopreneurs actually feel it. The client's flow runs about 40,000 executions a month once you count retries and the polling subflows. On Make's pricing tier that lands around $47 a month, every month, forever. I'm running n8n self-hosted on a small home server using Docker, and the marginal cost is 0. Over a year, that's $564 saved on 1 client workflow. Multiply by 5 clients, and you've paid for a developer-grade server. So here's the actual decision rule I give clients. If you want the exact n8n workflow JSON for the lead routing agent I just walked through, Gmail trigger, GPT classification, Telegram, and CRM routing, head to BizflowAI.io, and you'll see the real automations we ship for clients every week.